Hey everyone! The massive peaceful protests are calling out the Nigerian government for overlooking the atrocities of the squad and is calling for their disbandment. We are in the second week of protests because the government have not enforced the removal of SARS but just vocally promised so. We ain't having that. That is why raising your voice, donating, and physically protesting is important to keep our lost souls alive. I'm proud of every one of you coordinating this movement, from providing medical supplies, lawyers to bail protesters out, ambulances, food and water, even fruits. Thank you all so much, and let's keep this going. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you recall from the last episode, we were making a plastic bird feeder, but today we will embark on something new. Stay tuned. This is Sharon. She's going to be my little helper. Look at that smile. We can just throw the bird seeds around, for the birds to just hop in and eat, but we're gonna do it a fancy way today. Let's go. Cut your watermelon into half and take out the inner fruit. Just like that. Now see, it looks all nice and empty, and we're ready to start our bird feeder. So just like the plastic bottle, we are going to put holes on 4 sides. Here, 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 and here. As you can see, we've made use of the watermelon cover to make this bird feeder. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Like, what are you doing? Join the Green Tribe. I make videos of DIYs every week. I hope you like this and share this. Anyway, this is Monica signing out with my little assistant. Bye!